One quick question for you, Elaine. Briana running 10:94 at 17. What advice would you give to her?
Honestly, I wish I could run 10:74 when I was 17. I watched her run that double at the World Junior Games, and I know she has more in store. She works hard, she's determined, she's strong. We have to just continue to motivate her and do it.
So track fans, and that was Elaine Thomson Herah explaining what she feels about Briana Williams. And what she was saying in that video was Briana Williams is a good athlete. Briana Williams is doing well. She's doing great. And the interviewer, if you paid attention, asked Elaine Thomson Herah what she feels about Briana Williams running, I think, 10.80 something at the age of 17. Now, the reply by Elaine Thomson Herah was, wow, I was amazed to see Briana Williams running 10 point something at the age of 17. And Elaine Thomson Herah went on saying that she wished she had also run the same time when she was 17 years old. So Elaine Thomson Herah was kind of happy for the fact that Briana Williams was able to achieve a lot by 17 years old already. Now, in case you don't know who Briana Williams is, she is one of the most beautiful Jamaican athlete, and she happens to win gold medal in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics in the 4x100 meter. Briana Williams is known for her chanting beauty, and also Briana Williams participated in the World Athletic Championship in Budapest, but unfortunately she didn't get the opportunity to run in the individual.